Hello, well, this is a video response to what, I wish we could do video responses the way we used to be able to do them, but anyway, this is a response to Jeff at Tropical Plant. I can't English today, I'm sorry. Tropical Plant Party. I wanted to ask you a question about my Dracaena here. I've watched your Dracaena video several times, and first, before I say any of that, you know what? Keep doing what you're doing. I love your upbeat attitude and your quirky jokes, and every time one of your videos comes out, I just look forward to it. But anyway, as you can see, my baby has seen some better days. I'm kind of at a loss for this plant. I got it not knowing anything about it. I didn't get it. It was given to me. It was purchased for me, and you could see it's not doing very well. It doesn't matter. I've seen no change between how much I water it, or how much or how little, the light that I have it under, how much or how little. Right now I have it under a grow light there. Earlier I had it behind me here up on a shelf where there's almost no light, and I've had it everywhere in between, and I'm at a total loss as to what's wrong with this plant. If you can give me some suggestions, sorry, I can't talk. Maybe if there's something you see or think of that I'm not seeing or thinking of, that would be amazing. Anyway, like I said, keep doing what you're doing. I'm enjoying the videos, and thanks for any help you can offer.